Let me ask you something here. Have you ever thought about making money from your creativity? You know, when they say, oh, you're very creative, you have a creative mind, you come up with things easily. Have you ever thought about how you can make money with it? What if I could show you how you can do it with just your phone or your laptop and you get paid, every single day? Imagine selling t-shirts, mugs, or even tote bags without needing a physical shop. You do not need a physical shop, you do not need a physical store, you do not need suppliers, or just depending on how much money you have upfront, you can start, right? You do not need so much capital to get started. And then you create these designs for free. Sounds interesting, right? So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Canva to create custom designs and sell them right here in Nigeria. You do not need special skills. Even if you say you're not creative, guy, you can still do it. If you do not have money, you can still do it. If you are broke, you can do this side hustle. You just need little time and effort. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start your business and start making money. So there are just four simple steps. Four simple steps. You choose a niche, you create a design with Canva. Don't worry, calm down. I'll show you step by step. Step 3, you sell your products online and locally with platforms like Jiji or social media. And then step 4, you market your designs for free or almost free. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, first things first, head over to canva.com or download the Canva app from your Apple store. Don't worry, you can start with the free version and it's super easy to use. Now follow me while I'm going through my own Canva, okay? Log into Canva or create a free account if you do not have one yet. Now go ahead and search for t-shirt design or any product you want to create. Canva already has lots of ready-made templates. Don't stress yourself. If you say, like I said, even if you say you're not creative, you don't have ideas, guy, don't stress yourself. Canva has a lot of templates. Now pick a simple template. Let's try something fun, okay? Like a design that says Naija hustler or God no go shame us, or they would say it's a new year and they'll be like new year new me, that kind of thing. You can edit the text, change the colors and add some icons or patterns. Canva has many free elements you can use. Please use them, they are free. Don't limit yourself to just simple things. Switch as much as you can. So when your design is ready, you can download it as a PNG file. Now, if you need the background to be transparent and you don't have the Canva Pro, just visit a free website like Remove.bg. It's remove the background. Simple. I told you, I will plug you on for free. I will plug you on for free. Share your scene. I'm dropping tips. See, just go to my comment section and say thank you. Go and drop thank you as we are doing this tutorial, because the amount of money you make from this thing. Okay, let's continue. Now here's a tip for you. Keep your design simple and easy to understand. Bold, clear text are what sells better. Don't use tiny words. Make it bold and attractive. Use words that people would be interested in buying. Now let's talk about choosing your niche. A niche simply means the type of customers you want to sell to. Think about what Nigerians love. Nigerians love culture. Igbo people, they are very culture oriented. The Benin, they like pidgin. Just look for something that people like, Ankara patterns or quotes in pidgin. If you can say something like, if you dey for me, I dey for you. They would like to buy the kind of things. Or you can use motivational quotes like small girl, big God. Or like I said earlier, 2025, you say new year, new me. just think of something interesting, funny, relatable phrases. I can't come and keep myself, no grief for anybody. Those kind of things, those kind of short quotes and slogans that are reigning right now. You can actually go on TikTok or Instagram and actually search for some of these things, and you'd see that you get them. They are everywhere. You can even use ChatGPT if you know how to do it. Just use ChatGPT to look for fun, relatable phrases, and you create a design, around it. Now, if there's something you are passionate about, if you are passionate about fitness, you can create a merchandise for that. If you're passionate about makeup, you can create a merchandise for that. If you're passionate about beauty, skincare, whatever it is, you can create a merchandise for that, because there are people who will definitely be in your niche. Yeah, there are people who are ready to buy. You can do a quick search on Instagram or Google for trending t-shirt ideas, so you get an inspiration from there. Now, here's the exciting part: selling your designs. I know you want to know how much money you're gonna make. Don't worry, you don't need to worry about that. I know you'll be thinking, oh, shipping products from abroad or having a physical store. No, 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 no. Let me show you some practical ways to sell right here in Nigeria from the comfort of your home. In your house, you don't need shop. Number one is sell on Jiji. Yes, Jiji.ng is a popular platform in Nigeria where you can sell anything for free. Here's how you list your products. Go on Jiji.ng, create a free account, click the sell button, and choose a category that you want to sell on. Let's say clothing and apparel, or if it is mugs, or if it's bottles. Just choose the category. Upload the pictures of your t-shirts or mugs. Attach a catchy title like custom made Niger t-shirt, and write a short description so that people would be enticed and know more about that item. And then set your price and add your contact details. Once your ad is live, people can message you to buy. Chicken now. Simple and short. Option number two is to sell on social media. Social media is another great way to sell. Yeah, you get to sell for free. And here is how you do it: you create a Facebook page or an Instagram business page. Post pictures and videos of your designs. Use Canva to create designs. Those mock-up designs. And make them look very realistic. So they'll see a preview of how your designs look on t-shirts or mugs. And then here is a pro tip: just use hashtags like Niger made or support local to reach more people. People are very enthusiastic about helping or supporting Nigerian made brands. So if you use these hashtags, you would most likely reach more people. And then you want to share your posts on WhatsApp status and in groups. Now let's go back to Facebook. Facebook has Facebook Marketplace. Facebook has Facebook groups. Facebook has Facebook business page. So you have three options there. Just keep bombarding them in all of these social media platforms. They are for free. You're not paying any money. You're not paying anybody. Post them there. WhatsApp status, post it. Look for how to just basically show many people. Many people shop directly on Facebook Marketplace. Many people shop directly on WhatsApp groups. Many people shop directly on Facebook groups. Just, put your product and your business out there. They're all for free. I know some of you will be like, oh, you prefer offline sales, you want to visit locals. You can decide to visit local stores or boutiques and offer to supply them with your designs. Many shops will be happy to take your products on consignment, meaning they pay you after they sell. Like, if they sell, they give you your money. That's up to you if you decide to do that. Or you can attend trade fairs. That is the in thing right now. Many people are going for trade fairs. You can attend that to showcase your market, or you just go to markets to showcase your work. See, there are so many ways. I cannot possibly mention all of the means that you can market this your work. So just all of these methods or the options I have mentioned, they are more than enough. Jiji, social media is all encompassing. There's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, all of these platforms have different places. There's also some people sell on TikTok marketplace as well. Facebook has marketplace as well. Instagram, just drop pictures, attract people, he'll come. Or you go in person, tell people about this your products. If they accept it, and they'll pay you when they sell. If you're good, if you're okay with that, fine and good. But as regards to people who do not have money yet to print out merchandises and dump it in a boutique or a store or a shop, pending when they sell, the other options are like better for you. So these are all just means of marketing, because no matter how great your design are, people don't if people don't see them, you won't make sales, you won't make any sales. And here's how to promote your products without spending a dime. I mentioned earlier, post on TikTok and Instagram reels. You can create shorts, create fun videos, um just do something that would grab the attention of people. Probably how you made your designs, how they look when they are worn, how Nigerians love this content. Nigerians love things that would make them happy. It's not like they come online to buy things, okay? But when they see something that is making them happy, that triggers a certain emotion in them, they'll be moved to buy. So if you probably a lady wears a shirt of if you did for me, I did for you, and then she does a video of her and her friends with this song, I think Spiral song, there's a song like that, yeah. And then they do a dancing video together, making them see, oh, there is love in togetherness or friendship and all of that stuff. There are people who would see these things and be like, oh yes, I want this for my friends, and I want this for my siblings, and I want this for my family. Do you understand? So just be creative, do your research, and you'd find out that people have already done these things, so you can pick from them. Second option is to use word of mouth. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody. See, the worst that they can do is no. But what would be more annoying or more painful is that you did not take the chance, or you did not take a move as to how to make money. Rather, you choose to go and beg. These same people that have said no to you, if you go and beg them for 2k, 3k, they will not answer you. So go and market your business. If they say no, that is a motivation to move on. It's not a chance to say, oh, I'm letting go, I'm not doing this anymore. No, you move on. You can even ask them to share your products with others. If they are not buying, just ask them, please, can you share this on your status? Can you share this on your Facebook? Get ready to get a few no, but get ready to get many yes. So it depends on your circle. If you have good people around you, trust me, word of mouth would go a long way. Friends, family, neighbors, acquaintances, this is the time to tell everybody about your business. The third step would be to collaborate with influencers. Yeah, you can look for small influencers who can showcase your designs to their followers. Many influencers accept free products as payment. Some would accept the free product and then payment as well. So just do your research well to know which one would suit your pocket as a new business owner. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create designs with Canva and sell them online and offline in Nigeria. So whether you are using Jiji, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even WhatsApp, the opportunities are endless. The best part, you don't need big money to start. No, that is why I'm here for you. I always bring you the tips and ideas on how to make money without even having the money. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more money making tips. Tell me in the comment section, what is the first design you are going to create? I can't wait to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep hustling, keep grinding, keep creating, and see you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.